Okay, it's December 3rd. It's a Tuesday evening, doing this around 8 o'clock. Temperatures have dropped into the 20s. They've been pretty cold out here. There is still some snow coming off the lakes, but it's kind of died down a little bit for some areas. But it will be coming back with a vengeance again. And I think this time it may aim a little bit more into Pennsylvania so that the heavier snows that come off the lake last longer. We take this out to tomorrow. Let's see, tomorrow morning around 11 o'clock, and you can still see basically 20s across the whole area. The higher elevations in some of the valleys up here also could get down into the teens in the Laurel Islands. Uh, as we get into Wednesday during the day, temperatures you can see rebound south here to around freezing, still stay in the 20s up north here. This is just about when your precipitation is on the doorstep here, and it's in the form of snow as it comes in. Now, this is a mixture of two different things. A, it's a clipper. B, it's a cold front. And behind it's colder air than we just had, so it'll reinforce. So, and that's why you'll have the snow squalls. Now, this takes you to around, let's see, this would be around 3 in the afternoon tomorrow. You can still see some snow coming across. It's nothing heavy, except in spots you see some heaviness. But then here around 8 o'clock in the evening is a pretty good um, pock of snow coming through here and down here. So it's going to be coming through. And then it works its way across. Here's a midnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning. It's midnight. And here's your heaviest snow here. That's your boundary of the cold front behind it, and you can see it coming through. This is around 3 o'clock in the morning, Thursday morning, and you can see these streamers here. And again, this has a lot to do with elevation, circulation up here. You got all this. This is Arctic air coming in, so you can get a quick dump of snow when that happens. And then you can see the snow squalls set up. This is 7 o'clock Thursday morning, and here comes the snow squalls again. And you notice how they're lining up a little bit further deeper into Pennsylvania when that happens. And then you can still see it continues on. This is Thursday afternoon. Here's Thursday evening around 8 o'clock, and you can see that's a strong streamer here, and so they're not just letting up by the lakes. And again, wind controls it. You see how it's moving further south. It's the rotation around the clipper that's going to control exactly where this goes. This is around midnight Thursday night into Friday, and you can still see it going on here. How much snow does it translate into? Okay, there's your snow. Again, Pittsburgh down this way an inch or so, inch maybe two at tops. The higher elevations here, 2, 3, 4 inches, and there could be some high 6 inch totals here. But this is the main area of concern here. Bradford heading up towards Erie. This is extreme southwestern New York here. But in Pennsylvania, up in this direction here, there could be another blast of snow, could be a foot of snow or so, depending on how it lines up. I mean, if you look up here, you can see this coming off of one of the lakes, and then it crosses over land, dies out, and then it picks back up as it comes over the lakes and then back into Pennsylvania and then hits. Again, this can go either way depending on the strength of the wind that comes through, but that's generally the idea. All these blue areas here, 2 to 4 inches, and then as you get into these darker colors, the bluish, darker blues here, could be 5 inches, and then you get in these pinks, anywhere from 6 in these white areas, could be over a foot. So just be prepared for nasty weather, and this is going to bring along some very strong winds. There 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts can come along with this thing. So let's see if I can pull that up. Let's see if I got something here that will show that. Let's see. Let me back this up to when it's coming through. Yeah, you can see these strong winds are coming off the lakes. You can see these are wind gusts, 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. The yellows are stronger, and you can see right around there. There's strong winds here, 50, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts going through. So there's beside the fact, and you can see in the Laurel Highlands, top of the mountains getting gusty, but beside the snow and beside the cold, you're gonna have to deal with you know strong winds, which is going to make some of these temperatures, real field temperatures, pretty cold. You throw in, just for an example, let's go to midnight Friday night or Thursday night midnight, and you can see temperatures, real fill, single digits in the mountains down here, low teens up here. That's pretty cold, and as we go through the nighttime hours, you can still see it. It's pretty cold, below zero in these bluish areas down here. So it's going to be chilly. So you need to take heed. All right, take it easy. That's your forecast for the next 48 hours.